Welcome to this video tutorial from stuartdanieldesign.co.uk. Today I'm just going to show you how I made this page in in Photoshop. It's the first page of my website. You should go and check it out at stuartdanieldesign.co.uk. Okay, let's get started. File, new document. We're just going to call it Stu, and the size is 1280 by 1024. That's what I tend to use. I'm just going to set the background colour to a bit of a darker one than white, so that should do. Okay, I'm just going to get the structure, so we're going to get the line tool with a weight of 6 pixels. Click and drag and hold shift for the line. There we go. Sorry, we're going to change the colour there to white. We don't want a blue line, do we? There we go. Okay, I'm going to select the move tool, which is shift V, and then Control T to transform it, and hold shift while you move it to get the angle. There we go. Click OK. Then we're going to duplicate this, Control J, move it over here to about there. I'm only showing you this rough as a rough guide, so just going to select this layer again and then move it over here a little bit. With the line tool again, I'm just going to click and drag with the shift button held in to there, and the move tool, Control T to adjust the angle, and then put tick, and then we're going to move this again, so shift V, and then just move it into position, which is about there, I'd say. Now we want to duplicate that again, so Control J for duplicate layer, and then that should go about there. Sorry, just move these up a little bit. To about there. Okay, next we're going to get some images in. I've already preloaded them because of the length of time. You only get 10 minutes for the video, so I'm just going to try and to get this one here. I've just got it in here, so I'll just move this over. Yeah, I'll just move this over here, and then hopefully it fits. So I'm just going to move it about to about there. We need to make the lines a little bit. That should do. Okay. Just going to erase that little bit there. And layers panel. Just going to select this left line and just move it a little bit to about there, and then that should do. I'm going to get this to these lines. Just select the blue layer and drag it below these two to get that above that. Okay, right, now to get the Mario sign in, image in, just click, select that layer and then drag this in here. Or just get the image off the internet and cut it. That's what I did, and then put this in here. Okay, just drag that around a bit. Now I've got another image I need to put in here, so I'm just going to go to my downloads, and it's this one, so click and drag that in. I'm just going to resize that, which is click, hold shift to keep the resolution, and click tick for OK. Now I want to transform this, so it's Control J, Control T, click and hold shift to get the angle again. Apply. I just want to make it a little bit bigger, so Control T again, hold shift, something like that. Okay, and then we just want to drag this layer underneath the others so it's at the bottom. Click and hold, and then release, and then the line. Okay, so with that layer selected, we just need to adjust it a little bit, so Control T again, hold the shift, button and drag it up to that. Okay, and click apply. Now we want to select the Mario layer, which is control and click on the actual layer, or you can just click here. Just drag this down a bit. There we go. And to get this filled in this area, I'm just gonna, with the lasso tool, I'm just gonna select and zoom in a little bit, which is control plus sign. Just gonna select here, carefully clicking each along these lines. Click, and then double click there to select that. And I'm just gonna fill that with, let's select a colour, so just match this colour here with the eyedropper tool. Perhaps a little bit lighter than that, so no, a little bit darker. Last time, Control Z, that's fine. Okay, and Control D to deselect that selection. Okay, now I'm going to do the logo, my logo, which is Stuart Daniel Design. I'm just going to, with the lasso tool again, click along the lines, and double click there at the end, and fill this with a grey. Just find a grey. Yeah, that'll do. And just we need to bring that layer up there now. What's happened? Oh, sorry, I had that layer selected. So I just need to Control Z. I need to make a new layer, sorry. And then fill that there, like so. I'm just going to Control D to deselect the selection, double click on this layer. I'm going to add a pattern overlay, just move to the side to see. It's just something simple like that. Opacity 14%, maybe bring it up to 20, and the pattern is okay about 37, something like that. Okay, now next for the text. So I'm just going to the text tool, and I'm going to click there. So I'm going to write in capitals, Stuart, and obviously not select grey, select white. Okay, and we're going to bring this layer above. We want it right on top, so for some reason it's grey. There we go. And let's see, just want it in capitals, and that is font Helvetica New Light. And let's see, I think it's that, yeah, that's the one. Okay, I'm just going to write all the text out, and then the next font is Helvetica New Regular. There we go. And then I'm just going to transform this by pressing Control and hold the shift in again to get the angle. Okay, same for this, Control Shift, got the angle. I want to move that to the right place, roughly about there. Like I say, I'm just doing it quickly for the purpose of the video. I want to get design in now, so we want to select this, and let's see if I can find the font. I'm going to make that a bit bigger, about 60 I think.